Hello and welcome everyone, Carman back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Mercedes-Benz. This is the ML W164, and today I'm going to be installing these aftermarket AMG pedals, the brake pedal, the accelerator pedal, the parking brake, and also the footrest pedal. This is a very great and an inexpensive upgrade for your interior. Instead of having those boring plastic and rubber pedals, these aluminum ones give a very updated and refreshed look into your interior. Once you get the kit, included inside is the pedals, and you get some screws, some nuts and washers. The only extra tools you're going to be needing is a drill bit and a drill. And if you don't have a drill bit, you could use a diamond cutter screw like I'm using here. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Installation is pretty easy. Please follow along and I'll share with you my final results. Here are the final results. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share. And I'll see you guys soon with another one. Thank you.